Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Brave browser in 2026. First, open the Brave browser. Then click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Search Engine from the left sidebar. Now find the option called Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down menu and choose the search engine you want to use, such as Google, Brave Search, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Yahoo. Once you select your preferred search engine, the change is saved automatically. There's no need to click a Save button. To confirm the change, open a new tab, type a search term into the address bar and press Enter. Your search will now open using the search engine you selected. That's it. This is how you can change the default search engine in Brave browser in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.